You ever notice that guy in the meeting who just can't stop clearing his throat? Yeah, that's me. It's like my throat has a mind of its own. Turns out it's all about dryness and irritation buildup. Who knew? I've been guzzling water, but it just wasn't cutting it. Then I discovered Plant RX Soothing Tea. It's like a warm hug for my throat. Just 1 cup and I felt the difference. No more scratchy discomfort. Finally, I could speak up without sounding like a frog. So if you're tired of that annoying throat clearing, give this tea a shot. Trust me, your voice will thank you.